Today, Thomas was hard at work. He had an important job to do. Thomas was to bring his many freight cars through the busy town of Wellsworth and deliver them to the Sodor Shipping Company. The roads were definitely busy, but everyone was sure to stop to let Thomas go through. James was also very busy today, pulling his passenger cars all the way to Knapford Station. It was a lot of hard work pulling all of those freight cars, but Thomas finally made it to the Sodor Cargo Company. He dropped off his shipment and chugged on to see what his next important job will be. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching!